Hey everyone, my name is Ashley. Welcome if it is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a review and what's in my diaper bag of the highly anticipated Chelsea collab bag from Itzy Ritzy, so let's get right to it. This is the brand new Boss backpack. It's faux leather, it's black, and it's really pretty. It has studding on the sides, which is super cool. It also includes the stroller clips like the rest of the bags. It has two charms. One is kind of like a pearl with a heart charm, and another is a nice, cool, funky tassel. It has gold hardware all around, and these are the main differences of the bag. It has a nice slip pocket, and then it has a really great zippered pocket, and this pocket, which is usually just a slip one, it has a zippered closure. So I'll just start so that this isn't super long. In this pocket I have my phone. This is an iPhone XS, and because this is what I would usually want in here, these are wet ones because it's easy to grab for cleaning carts and hands and everything. This pocket is amazing. It has double zippers, and the zippers are usually super soft on these bags. An amazing pocket. I love this pocket, and I really do hope that Itzy Ritzy continues with this style of bag because it's perfect. It has a nice key leash where I have my keys hooked, and it's elastic, so it's nice and stretchy. It has two pockets on the back. In here I have a lipstick and a mirror. In the other pocket I have my Mophie charger. It has another pocket in front of it, and the only thing I have in there right now is a nail file. And in the opening I have my full-size wallet. This is the Amber wallet in Brandy by Lily Jade. And then in the front it has two other slip pockets with kind of like a faux leather trim. It's so pretty. In this one I have some bandages and some mints, and on the other side I have cables and spare headphones, and that's it. This is a great size pocket, and it's kind of like a little purse, so it's great for all of your mommy things. In this pocket, which now has a nice zipper, I have my iPad just so you can see that it does fit. This is just the regular iPad, and it fits in there with no problem. And I also have this little pouch that I always carry with me with some documents that I need to have on me at all times. This is how big these pockets are. My Yeti, I think this is a 32 ounce, fits in here with no problem. I can get it in and out super easy. And on this side, I have my daughter's sippy cup. This is a Zoli Bot, I think. It's a weighted straw cup, so it does fit. In the back pocket, this is where the change pad comes. If I were going to keep it, I would be having it in the bag because my baby is still small enough that she could use it. And it's so pretty. It has little antlers with a nice little flower crown, and it has the logo on the bottom. So pretty. This bag is beautiful. And the inside of the pocket also has a lining. It has it all through the bag, and it just makes it even more special. There is a pocket on top, just like the other bags, and it's empty, but I would usually put in and I would usually use this for my sunglasses or maybe my keys or my phone. I don't know, I throw different things in there. So now for the inside, this is what it looks like. The lining is beautiful. I'm gonna start here so it's not so messy. I have a snack bag by Itzy Ritzy that I got from Target, and I have a bunch of snacks in there for all three of my kids. And if you're new here, I have two 3.5-year-olds and a 1-year-old. Okay, underneath that I have spare clothes. I have shorts for my daughter and for my son, just in case. My daughter never has accidents, but my son has been having them recently. And then I have an 18-month sleeper for my baby. This pocket is actually empty. In this one I have a mommy hook, and then I also have another little Itzy Ritzy bag, and this has spare underwear for each of my 3-year-olds. On the side over here, this used to be 2 pockets, but now it's just 1. I have a Medi Buddy, and in here I have some teething little biscuits for my little baby. And there is no longer a zippered pocket in the back, which I kind of miss because I like having things that I don't want anyone reaching back here safe from everyone else. There is another pocket over here that's empty. In this pocket, I have a Jujube set piece. This is a large set piece in the, I want to say, Sephora Swirl. And I have some little bags. I have Post-its for just in case we use the potty. I have a little change pad just in case I just want to carry this out of my bag. I have wipes, hand sanitizer, and 2 size 4 diapers. This is another one of their updates on the bag. Instead of having a drawstring, it is elastic, which makes it look way better in my opinion. And in here, I just have a remote control toy for my little baby. And in the front 2 pockets, I have left this one empty. And in this one, as you can see, I just have a couple of bows for my baby, just in case I am in the mood to dress her up a little bit. So that is everything in this beautiful, beautiful bag. I think it's stunning. Okay, so my thoughts on the bag is it is beautiful, it is edgy and feminine, and the new updates are amazing. I really, really hope that Itzy Ritzy continues on with these new improvements because that front pocket is everything, and those double bottle pockets are so good. Even my Yeti fits in there as I showed you. It's so good. I really love this bag. It's beautiful. The only reason I am not keeping it, I actually just got back from taking it to the post office, is because my back is not as strong as it used to be and I am always having back pain. So I know that I will probably choose my coffee and cream over the Chelsea bag because it's a little bit lighter. I know that I would want to fill it up to capacity because it's such an amazing bag and it's great for traveling, but I know that I would want to wear it. So if I can't wear it, then I don't want to keep it. It was a tough one for me. I stared at that bag for a week straight because it's so pretty. But ultimately, I really always prefer to pass along a bag that I know will be used and loved in another home rather than just keeping it because it's so pretty and hard to find. That's just my personal opinion and experience with this bag. I know that if you love your Boss backpack, you're gonna love this one because it's awesome. It's my favorite so far. It's beautiful. I'm just not keeping it for those reasons and I'm kind of sad about it. But I hope that you enjoyed it and found this useful. If you did, show me with a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click that button before you go. I will see you in the next one. Bye.